ChatGPT. Please generate 12-minute video scripts on brief human history with many interesting milestone stories as possible. Sure, I'd be happy to generate a 12-minute video script on human history with interesting milestone stories. Here it is. Introduction. Welcome to this brief history of humanity. For thousands of years, humans have been building civilizations, discovering new technologies, and exploring the world around them. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most significant milestones in human history, from the earliest days of our species to the present day. Part 1. Early humans. Our story begins over 6 million years ago, when the first human-like creatures appeared on the African savannah. These early hominids were small, with brains no larger than a chimpanzee's, but they were able to walk upright on 2 legs, freeing up their hands for tool making and other activities. Over time, our ancestors evolved and spread across the world. They developed new technologies, such as fire and the bow and arrow, and formed societies with complex social structures. Part 2. Ancient civilizations. As human societies grew more complex, they developed into the first civilizations. These early cultures, such as those in Mesopotamia and Egypt, built monumental structures like the pyramids and developed systems of writing and mathematics. Other civilizations emerged around the world, such as the Greeks and Romans, who made major contributions to philosophy, art, and science. These ancient civilizations laid the groundwork for much of the knowledge and culture that we still value today. Part 3. The Middle Ages. The fall of the Roman Empire marked the beginning of the Middle Ages, a time of great change and upheaval in Europe. The period saw the rise of feudalism, the spread of Christianity, and the growth of powerful empires like the Mongols. In Europe, the Middle Ages saw the development of new technologies such as the printing press, which helped spread knowledge and literacy. It was also a time of great cultural achievements, such as the Gothic cathedrals and the works of Dante and Shakespeare. Part 4. The Renaissance. The Renaissance was a period of great intellectual and artistic achievement that began in Italy in the 14th century. It marked a return to the values of ancient Greece and Rome and led to significant advances in science, art, and literature. The Renaissance saw the work of great thinkers like Leonardo da Vinci and Galileo, who challenged traditional ways of thinking and paved the way for the scientific revolution. It also saw the development of new forms of art, such as perspective and oil painting. Part 5. The Age of Exploration. The Age of Exploration began in the 15th century, when European nations began exploring the world beyond their borders. This period saw the first circumnavigation of the globe by Ferdinand Magellan, the discovery of the Americas by Christopher Columbus, and the establishment of European colonies in Africa and Asia. The Age of Exploration had a profound impact on world history, as it led to the spread of European culture and the exchange of goods and ideas between different regions of the world. Part 6. The Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution began in the 18th century and marked a major shift in human history. It saw the development of new technologies such as the steam engine and the cotton gin, which revolutionized manufacturing and transportation. The Industrial Revolution led to massive social and economic changes, as people moved from rural areas to cities to work in factories. It also saw the rise of capitalism and the development of new political ideologies such as socialism and communism. Part 7. The 20th century. The 20th century was a time of unprecedented change and turmoil. It saw 2 world wars, the rise and fall of totalitarian regimes, and the development of new technologies such as the atomic bomb and the Internet. The 20th century also saw significant advances in science and medicine, with the discovery of DNA, the development of antibiotics, and the landing of humans on the moon. It was a time of great cultural change as well, with the rise of popular music, film, and television. The civil rights movement, women's suffrage, and other social movements also reshaped society and challenged traditional power structures. Part 8. The 21st century. The 21st century has been marked by the rise of globalization and the increasing interconnectedness of the world. Advances in technology have made it easier than ever to communicate and do business across borders. However, the century has also been marked by significant challenges, such as climate change, political instability, and the threat of terrorism. The COVID-19 pandemic has also had a profound impact on the world, changing the way we live and work. Despite these challenges, humans continue to make progress and achieve new milestones. From the exploration of Mars to the development of renewable energy, there is still much to be accomplished. Conclusion. Throughout human history, we have faced challenges and made great achievements. We have built civilizations, explored new frontiers, and advanced our understanding of the world around us. As we move forward into the future, it is up to us to continue this legacy and shape the course of human history for generations to come. Thank you for watching.